I'm Dawn Mattoon, Branch Manager at Dress for Success. I'm here today to say how proud we are to partner with Arm & Hammer Laundry to help lighten the load for other women. I know interviewing can be stressful, so I'm here to share 5 tips to help you on your next interview. Dress for Success. Honestly, the best thing you can bring to an interview is your smile. Beyond that, make sure that your clothes fit, they're pressed, clean, and ready to go. Dress in items that you feel comfortably in, but still reflect the culture of the job that you are interviewing for. Tell a story. Employers love to hear about the difference you made at the company you were with before. Did you provide excellent customer service? Did you take on a new project? Did you solve a problem that had been there for a while and took initiative to make a difference? Make sure you're able to tell your story and tell it succinctly. Research the company. Check out their website. What are they known for? What are their goals? What is their commitment for the next 3 to 5 years? How can you come in and make a difference? Show not only that you are paying attention, but that you can come in and bring your skills in key areas that they're looking to achieve. Don't speak negatively about past employers or employees. It sets a bad tone, one that employers aren't going to want to take. Always take the high road. It's okay to ask next steps after the interview. You can certainly ask them how long they plan to continue interviews. When can you expect to hear back? And don't forget, send a thank you note or an email reminding them why you're the best person for the job. I hope you found these interview tips helpful. At Dress for Success, our mission is to empower women in the workplace and in their lives.